In this video, I will tell you how to withdraw money from Equity Edge. So first you need to sign into your account and open the withdrawal section from the main menu. Select the account ID or wallet you want to withdraw from, then pick a payout method that suits you. Common options include traditional bank wires and supported blockchain networks like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Next, enter the required details for the method you chose. For a bank wire, you will provide your name, bank name, account number, and any routing details. For a blockchain withdrawal, you will paste your personal wallet address on the correct network. Always verify the network to avoid loss of funds. Then set the amount. You can type an exact number or select the maximum available balance. Review any fees or minimums shown on the screen so you know what will arrive. When everything looks correct, submit the request and confirm through any security prompts such as email codes or two-factor authentication. Finally, watch for the confirmation message and keep an eye on your email for status updates. Processing times vary by method and region. That's how you withdraw money from Equity Edge. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.